Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Lamm. I'm the director of the Foot and Ankle Deformity Center here at the Paley Orthopedic and Spine Institute. Today we did the world's first ever MedCAD Cut Guide for an ankle. MedCAD Cut Guide system is a special guide which is a 3D printed patient-specific cut guide to do what's called a supramalleolar osteotomy, which is an osteotomy of the distal tibia right above the ankle. This particular osteotomy needs to be performed for our patient today because of a post-traumatic injury. She's undergoing this special procedure where we first place the cut guide and do the osteotomy cut, as you see on the x-ray behind me. Then we're able to close the osteotomy, which means correct the deformity and move the ankle into the proper position. And then it's held with this special plate on the side. This is a plate that fits over those previous pins from the previous cut guide. Basically a pre-planned surgery where this is all patient-specific and very accurate. Again, this is the first ever procedure done on the ankle in the world with this device. This patient's going to have a straight ankle and an ankle that now has accurate alignment. If you have any ankle issues, call Lamm Nation. We're here for you.